All right, back at the project lawn. Yes, we have sod today. So we're going to talk about what we're going to do before we put the sod down, then we're going to put the sod down, and then we're going to talk about what we do after we get the sod down. So lots going on today, lots of work to do. Let's get started. Alright, so the sod is going to go down today. We've got a lot of work ahead of us, but we're going to prepare the soil first. We want the fertilizer, which needs to be in the soil, to be in the soil. So we're going to put the fertilizer down, and then we're going to put the sod right on top of it, so that once this starts breaking down, as they start watering, it's going to be right there ready to go, and the roots are just going to love that. So this is X-Start from Carbon Earth, courtesy of Yard Mastery. This is going to go down at 3 pounds per thousand, so that means we're going to get about 1/4 pound of nitrogen, but we're going to get 3/4 pounds of phosphorus, which is what we want to really drive those roots. So that's the plan for now. We're going to apply that in the Spiker handheld spreader, and it should be good. Let's get after it. Alright, so the fertilizer's down. Your first experience spreading fertilizer at your new house. How'd it go?
The striker is beautiful.
Spiker?
The fertilizer's beautiful.
Yeah.
The mower's beautiful. Everything's beautiful. I'm ready.
It's beautiful. We got a project.
Yeah.
Ready to go.
Oh,
we'll
sure.
stagger the rows. And then, of course, green side up. Right?
Okay. Green
right?
side up.
Green side up.
Green side.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Just like that, there it is, instant lawn. That came together really nice. I went ahead and just dragged a little plastic leaf rake over it just to kind of fluff it up a little bit because it's been rolled. We'll get some airflow in here. We're gonna put some humic down. We're gonna put some RGS down, and then we're gonna call it good. And he's gonna get busy watering this. So all of that really happened quite quick. After we got the sod down, things just kept rolling on, and I don't know what got filmed because I haven't gone through the footage yet, but I just wanted to kind of recap what happened after we laid the sod down. So I went over Humic12 and RGS with Jimmy and gave him some application rates to use, taught him how to use the hose end sprayer and how to rinse it out properly when he was done. We put down a full application of Humic12. We put it down at 9 ounces per thousand, and we did a full application of RGS at 6 ounces per thousand, and then in a week he's going to do another 3 ounces per thousand of RGS, and I told him to rotate between the RGS and the Cyto Grow. So he's going to be rolling on that, and of course he's going to be watering this lawn like there's nothing else that matters. So he's going to be watering 2 to 3 times a day, nice deep waterings. Really want to push those roots, encourage that root growth. The starter fertilizer is going to help there, the RGS is going to help there, and the humic is going to help there as well. So, lots going on today. We got a lot done. It was kind of fun to watch that yard just go in, and it just pops already. So everything worked out really well, and I'm really happy that it did. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for updates on this project. There's still the whole backyard to do, and we're going to take care of that in the fall. So again, lots to look forward to, and I'll be sure to get out there again in a couple weeks or so, follow up, get an update on how things are going, how the lawn's coming in, and everything else that comes along with it. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.